What if you could start a business from zero? No tech skills, no inventory, no headache, and let AI to do 80% of the work for you. Right now, here in Dubai, in London, and all over the world, even in small towns worldwide, the people are turning AI plus FBA Amazon system into the new wealth system for 2026. Stay with me for another 5 minutes and I will show you the exact system that will help you to start from beginning, to start from scratch. Even moms at home, even a 9 to 5 job people, even other workers and the students and other old people as well. Build your online income from the scratch. And this is not the theory, this is the real proven system. Good luck. And by the way, by the end of this video, you will learn how to use AI tools to spot profitable products in minutes. You will also learn from where you can source them smartly through AI automation templates and how to negotiate with suppliers. You will also learn how to create the listing that convert like a crazy, and you will also learn automatic ads using ChatGPT, Adtomic, and other tools. You will also learn how to scale globally from Dubai with a minimum overhead and the minimum amount, minimum budget. So let's build your digital assets and the one that can pay you for the years. So start with our first step, and that is AI product research. And okay, every millionaire seller start with one skill, and that is research, and that is very important. But now in 2026, research isn't manually anymore, it's totally AI powered. For example, open ChatGPT and type the prompt, give me 10 lightweight under $25 or under 100 dirham product with a low competition, high demand. Then you will get some product and you need to verify them with a Helium 10 or a JungleScout. I'm sure you heard of these two tools as well. These are the top two tools to research on the product, to the selling capacity, the competition, everything about Amazon. These two products are very effective. And in start, you can start with a trial, the free their free version. Later on, from a premium specs, you can go to a premium, but in start you can use them freely. These two tools will expose the real buyer data, the monthly sales and the demands and the reviews as well. AI does in hours what we can do in a week. So finding the right product before everyone else is real. So with the help of JungleScout and Helium 10, you will get some products, and including as I told you, including the sales, monthly sales, the rating and review gaps as well. So when you get some products, you need to focus on the star, 1 star, 2 star and 3 star specifically reviews, because in these you will get the margin from where you can improve the product, your product. You can customize product with the help of these 1 star, 2 star and 3 star reviews. And trust me, if you can do that, you can make a winning product. And this is how everybody and everyone finds their first gold mine. Then we move to our second step, and that is smart sourcing with AI. Once you have found your winning product, you can go to Supplier, but don't just send the random message. Let AI to do writing for you perfectly. And for example, you need to go to Alibaba Supplier, ask ChatGPT, write a supplier message that sound professional, that sound confident and long-term focused. And it will be drafting something like, hi, I am launching a premium line of business of a products. Can you share 500 units? Can you quote me 500 units with logo customization and packaging? That message get respect immediately. And then use tool like Notion AI to organize your quotes, to organize your timeline, to organize a quality check as well. And you are not hustling, and you are basically operating as a CEO, and these all tools are your employees, and these all tools are your assistant, your workers. So enjoy. So friend, now we are moving to a step 3 for Amazon sellers. Now that step 3 is AI optimized listing. Your listing is basically your storefront. AI can turn it into a magnet for the buyers. So feed your product details into a Jasper, 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 or copy.ai, and ask it to create bullet points that sell the emotion and benefits, not just the product and specs. And then refine this, and then refine with the Helium Skybirds 10 to target the actual keywords automatically. And definitely after that, you need the visuals. Generate studio quality images with Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. That is best. And as you know, words plus visuals is equal to wealth. Step number 4, after that we have a step number 4, and that is automate ads with AI. So ads are very important to sell the product. So instead of guessing what to spend, let AI drive your PPC campaign. Yes, and that is tools like Adtomic and DataGPT will test, scale and adjust your bids definitely automatically, and they will increase a bid on winning keywords, pause losers and protect your PPC campaign. It's just like having your full marketing team running inside your laptop. So you just need to focus on your vision, on your future plans, rest handled by these all AI tools. If you are here in Dubai and you are planning to start an Amazon seller account, and this is where Dubai is your advantage. Yes, how? Zero income tax, a streamlined company setup. Easily you can start e-commerce, but by getting any free zone license, or you can start with the e-trader license as well, which I have already discussed in my last detailed video. You can see that. And then it's another advantage, global shipping infrastructure here in Dubai that connects Asia, Africa, Europe and America as well. So you can manage an entire FBA business with So you can manage an entire FBA business with just one virtual assistant, one ad manager, and one supplier contact. That's it. That's your all business setup. It's a big business setup as a Amazon seller. And welcome to the new learn empire model. So look, this isn't the get rich overnight. You need a discipline, you need a patience, and obviously a small investment as well. But AI removes all the guesswork. It shows you what to sell, when to scale it, and how to grow fast without burnout. So that is the big advantage. And wealth isn't about working harder anymore in this time. It's all about using leverage, and AI is the ultimate leverage. I have built a complete AI plus Amazon FBA launch kit. Every prompt, template, and checklist you need to start will be in this kit, and it's 100% free in the link I will share with you. Just like, comment, launch, and if you're ready to begin, just comment launch. Then I will drop my secret AI product validation formula in reply. Okay, and this year is your year. Okay, to build a wealth, to become a million billionaire from the scratch. So I'm with you, and you need just your laptop, you need your vision, you need your discipline, and obviously Dubai as your launching pad, or wherever you are in the world. Make it your launching pad and start from the scratch right now. So let's make it happen. If you think I add some value, or if you learn something from this video, do subscribe, do like it, and please do share it as well. Because next week I am breaking down the top 5 prompts that help me for my Amazon FBA my FBA first store, and definitely it will help you as well. So until then, good luck, think big, and start small, and scale smart. Well done. Good luck.